Ready. Colin's first taste of cereal. Aww. He's like, that is not formula. Yeah, come over here. Colin, what do you think, big guy? What do you think? Oh, wow. You're doing so good. Yeah. He says it tastes better the second time. It's just running out. He's not even trying. He's like,
hey,
I am not going to eat this.
Do we have a rag?
He's wearing one.
Okay. Let's see some more.
Colin, you having fun? Delicious.
Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Is it yummy?
He's like, no. Mom. Hey, Colin.
Yummy. Yummy. You're so funny. You're so funny. Let's try some more. You gotta open. You gotta open.
He says if I open, everything's going to fall out. Is it delicious?
Oh my God.
He's like, avoid eye contact at all costs. What are you trying to poison me with, Mommy?
This is so messy. It's so messy. Oh, Ann, head back. Head back.
So delicious. Yeah.
Why is he holding his head like that?
So it can run out the side. That's why. Ooh, did you eat that?
Yeah.
Was it delicious?
Take it down your throat.
He says, I'm feeling nauseous.
Here, can you sit up? Can you sit up and not hang your head over? Here. Here. Let's not eat our hand.
Blocking. What a face.
Here. Sit back. Sit back.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Yes, you are. Do you want some more? Do you want some more? Hey. Hey. Look up here.
He says, not fun, Mommy.
It's okay. It's okay. I know, Jim. Do you want to try?
Sure. You record me? Hey, bud. Hey. Of course you give him to me when he's all mad. Oh. 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 Delicious. Oh. Oh. Oh, I hear a swallow. Uh-oh. Oh, a swallow.
Hey, don't wipe his face because I want to take a picture of him.
What?
Don't wipe his face because I want to take a picture.
So I put more on his face. Oh. Oh. Alright. I heard a swallow. Oh. So good.
I think he's done.
He's done?